All right, so we have Tamko Heritage. See it right there. This one's got wind on it right here. So this is the one. Just for reference, that's the current Tamko shingle that's made. So let's begin. So before I start, you can see that the shingles above it do not have any creasing right now. That's the first row, but it extends up here under this course of shingle, so I gotta remove the nails out of this one as well. All right, so that's the shingle we just took off. This is the one that we're installing. Let's look at the size first. That's the difference in size between the old shingle and the new Tamko. So we have over 1.5 inches difference in size there, and about 1 inch in the overall exposure as well. But I'll put it in there and see what happens. All right, so these require 6 nails per shingle. Let's try to slide this in here. Some big one. Here we go. So before I re-nail this, I want y'all to see just how far it has to overlap here. That is improper. And on this side, that's improper. So, and the exposure is just completely different. That's how far it's gonna hang down. Get in on that, Andrew. Problem with the sealant strip's right here on the bottom. So with how the exposure of this shingle is, with it being so much larger, this sealant strip is going to try to seal in this recessed part of the shingle. So right here, right here, right here, it will never seal. The only place this shingle will seal is where it makes contact with the dragon's tooth, which is here, here, and here. Just want y'all to know that. All right, so here is the after results of the repair attempt. First of all, you can see in my video, I couldn't even put 6 nails back up here. These shingles are so brittle. I mean, everywhere I lifted, and you can see from the video, I did not go an unreasonable amount, of space. I tried to keep it just far enough to where I can get my hammer in there. But these shingles are falling apart. So here's the top course. We've got creasing, 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 creasing. It tore here at the dragon's tooth, which is to be expected for a shingle that cannot be repaired. Right here, we have a whole flap now. Another crease. Huge crease right there. This roof is not repairable.